And here we go with our physical fitness test, day 2. And we will going to have strength, the push-up.
And our next component is strength. Strength refers to a muscle's ability to generate force against physical objects. In the fitness world, this typically refers to how much weight you can lift for different strength training exercises. Push-ups. Purpose: to measure the strength of the upper extremities.
And here we go with the equipment for push-up. We have exercise mat or any clean mat. The procedure: lie down on the mat, face down in standard push-up position. Palms on the mat under shoulders, fingers pointing forward and legs straight, parallel and slightly apart with the toes supporting the feet. For boys, strengthen the arms, keeping the back and knees straight. Then lowers the arms until there is a 90-degree angle at the elbows, or the upper arms are parallel to the floor. For girls, with knees in contact with the floor, strengthens the arms, keeping the back straight, then lowers the arms until there is a 90-degree angle at the elbows. Perform as many repetitions as possible, maintaining a cadence of 20 push-ups per minute. 2 seconds going down and 1 second going up. A maximum of 50 push-ups for boys and 25 push-ups for girls. As the tester assumes the position of push-up, start counting as the student lowers his body on the ground until he or she reaches the 90-degree angle at the elbow. Partner should stand in front of the tester and his or her eyes should be close to elbow level to accurately judge the 90 degrees bend. Make sure that the performer executes the push-ups in the correct form. The test is terminated when the performer can no longer perform the push-ups in the correct form. 3 corrections are allowed: is in pain, voluntarily stops, or cadence is broken. And here is the scoring for push-up. For boys elementary, take a look at this table. For the first column, there is the score of 0 to 5. Second column is the number of repetitions you've got from the test. And the third column are the interpretations. And this is for boys secondary. First column are the scores. Second column are the number of repetitions you've got from the test. And third column is the interpretation. And now we have the girls elementary. First column is the score from 0 to 5. Second column is the number of repetitions you've got from the test. And third column are the interpretations. And lastly, for girls secondary, first column are the scores from 0 to 5. Second column are the number of repetitions you've got from the test. And third column are the interpretations. And there you have it, our day 2 for week 3.